right, here's a nice little later model vehicle than we're usually used to. 2017 Ford F-150 SuperCrew pickup XLT trim level. Now this particular vehicle is on consignment with an employee that works here, FYI. So if you want to know anything about the truck, call on in. We know the history of it. It's a 2-owner truck, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 23,000 miles on it. So again, feel free to call us. Phone number 507-386-1726. If you want to see all the pictures of this vehicle, undersides, interior, engine bay, check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Quite clean truck, adult owned and driven. Underneath the hood, 2.7 liter EcoBoost 6-cylinder. That is turbocharged. 325 horsepower they put out. That is paired up with the automatic transmission. Interior of the XLT is a cloth front 40-20-40 split bench seat. And we'll slip around to the other side. I'll pop it open. We'll start it up. You can check out the interior. Kind of the silver gray interior. It was cloth. A nicely equipped truck. It does have a bed liner in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can help you out with the financing on this one, as well as any sort of shipping that you need done, getting it transported to where you're located at. There's your Ford bed liner. And again, still pictures. It'll show the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. As you can see, it's a two-tone black top, kind of a charcoal gray on the bottom, and it does have kind of a matte striping, more of a satin finish where you see the F-150 logo. Running boards, chrome wheels. Of course, the keypad on the exterior for entry, power mirrors, power locks, of course, tilt cruise, AC, power steering, power brakes, adjustable pedal, power seat, driver's side, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. And again, 4-wheel drive. Take a peek. All the controllers. Dash in great shape. No warning indicators on or anything like that as far as engine light or everything working order. Alright. Step out and hear this run. Again, and everything's stock. I think there may have been a little different air filter on it. You can see that in the still pictures. Tell you what, I'll go ahead and this pauses a second. I'll pop the hood for you so you see the engine bay in this video too. 6-cylinder, 325 horse. Nice, clean and tidy again. Clean Carfax, 2-owner, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Nice truck. And again, employee here that works here has this up for sale and consignment. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. We can help you out with the financing, the transportation. And this truck also may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to consult with the sales associate when you call in or email.